What's up? 400 repeats today. Here, say hi to our lovely cameraman.
Howdy.
What's up, Justin? You see the hat? What a guy.
Sir.
All right, so a bit of a dilemma. We arrived at the track and it is very icy.
Just a little bit.
I don't know if we'll be running here.
Yeah, I don't know.
Well, it looks like the track would be better equipped for a pair of ice skates, so I guess that means it's time for some parking lot 400s. Zimmy, let's see a 400 on this ice. Set, go! Oh! Okay. All right, so we're gonna get a nice stretch game on. Don't want to pull any muscles or anything. Hit a warm up, and we were gonna do the time it so that the 400s were on the track when the lights flicked on, but now we're gonna be doing 400s in the dark in the parking lot because that thing is like a skating rink. All right, so Zimmy's being a little insecure and he's stretching over there by himself where the camera can't pick him up because he's wearing tights and he doesn't want people looking at his booty. Hey man, all I'm gonna say is you got the peach, let the world see the peach.
Yes, sir.
I just go straight down from my back to my ankles. I don't got much going on in the caboose, if you know what I'm saying.
All right, so we're just gonna go hit a nice, easy, like 15-20 minute warm up, and then we're gonna come back here and start some 400s. So we're gonna do 12 by 400 repeats at like 5K pace. So pretty solid effort, but nothing like too crazy. So let's get a show on the road and get to it, I suppose. We hit the first 4 reps around like 80s, so like minute 20 for the 400, just kind of keeping those first 4 relaxed. Now we're on the downward slope. We just hit 7 reps, so we're over halfway done, and we're just trying to consistently hit 75s now, so like a minute 15 seconds, which is like 5-minute pace for the mile. So light little, just short jog recovery. We're hopping right back into it. We got 5 more reps to go. Feel amazing, so just gonna keep pushing through, keep getting the fitness up. Heard me complain about it once, you'll hear me complain about it again. This workout was supposed to be done under the lights on the nice beautiful track, but the thing was frozen solid. Felt great, hit all of our marks, ran the workout smart. Now we're gonna go do a nice light cool down, hopefully finish out the day on like 6 miles, 7 miles, something like that. Just be chilling. Be a solid day.
Are you coming or what?